everyone, it's Brooklyn Napier, Realtor with the Plowman team. Today we're going to tour our newest home for sale at 51 Clarington Boulevard, Unit 223. Let's take a look around. This unit features 1 bedroom, a den, 2 full bathrooms, in-suite laundry, and a breakfast bar. Thanks so much for staying till the end of our tour of 51 Clarington Boulevard, Unit 223. I'm Brooklyn Napier, Realtor with the Plowman team. If this home caught your eye, call the number above to book your private tour, and as always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with all of our newest homes for sale.